when you see Roadside, that's welcome to Benin City as well. So which is nice. It brings you back a bit of memories as well. You can see. It's a little bit dreadful for me, to be honest with you. I've not been on public transport in Nigeria for a long time. Yeah, I think. Morning. You the Sakara? Okay, nice. If I come back. Yeah. That's more like a snacks in Nigeria. Made up of beans, black eyed beans as well. So this is all this part. This is the part I went for my run. I'll show you guys in a bit. Let me get away from the erosion. I'm not sure you can see the power line. Right. You know what? Those one as well. Probably when I go to Ring Road, I will go on one of those bikes. So that's the bus I was saying before, the yellow and red. You can see the condition of the cars. I'm not sure there's any cars in Benin that is fully complete with no dent. And we got some street dogs here. That's some street dogs. There's a lot of street dogs in Benin. I believe it belongs to people, but they just walk around. They don't disturb you, you don't disturb them. I think everyone is staring at me though. Obviously, there's gotta be a cameras. Like what's he doing with a lot of cameras around as well? Funny camera. Pocket 3 camera is so funny looking. It's weird looking. You can see the state of the road. Right. We haven't got pedestrian walk here, so you just have to wait. If not, people is gonna bump into you. Wait around. You walk on the pavement. It is supposed to be a pavement. You can see the drainage, but it's not covered. No drainage is ever covered. Very few you get. That's a big size of drainage, right? Not covered. It seems to be like they do drainage for the water, but they never create any safety cautions whereby you can put a bit of slab on it to protect people from falling into that. They don't do that. So if you fall in one of those drainages, I think I'll have to walk this way. There's a lot of buses there that will take me to Ring Road. So let me just walk that way and then Yeah, please. Thank you. Oh. Lucky me. sure you guys can see the entrance gate. This is the God King of Benin. This is the palace where all my ancestors come from. Sorry. Yeah. Oh. It should have, well, for me, it's still not big enough. That's this, for me. Yeah, me. This, yeah.
Jesus is Lord.
Jesus is Lord. I want it to be bigger, man.
Let me tell you.
This is the busy side now. As I said, the market is open. I'm not going to go in though. I'm just going to walk around here. These are the roadside, the market. That's the market. So that's what it is. Oh yeah. I need water. All these are foods. You can see everyone's staring. Sorry. Thank you. Well, this is Mosan. If you get, these are some of the monuments in Benin. It's such a shame it's not being cared for properly. This is the Oba, one of the Oba. I don't know which one. We got a bit of cheetah around there with lions as well, and that's more like his assistant. Such a shame he's not being cared for, which is a shame. I'm gonna go on this one as well, so we can have a look. We have to wait. Those are my kings. See the middle of the road that I'm crossing just to get to the museum. Rush hour, Benin. Right. Let's go for a walk. Okay. There's some security personnel. Alright, I'll try to cross. It's gonna be a little bit hard though. The cars are literally speeding up. Right, let's do this one. Ring road. Okay. Thank you. No worries. Thank you. No worries. Got this one, guys. Starving. And I'm thirsty. It's too hot. Walk around. I've just been in there. That's the museum. That's where I've just been. This well-known Ababa Road. Got statue there as well. Welcome to Igun. This is Igun Street in Benin. cucumber, some red pepper, and give me 2 of the 500 one, please.